Got stuff. We're carrying it upstairs. Hey, baby, what are we doing?
We are recording our vocals.
In the closet, we're going to create a little sound booth. Don't judge. So I have this little table for the mixer. This is going to give us the warm sound that we require. The last time we recorded, it was in New Orleans and it was hot. We didn't even have a pop filter. I had made one out of like an old lid and a fishnet. What's nice is this is all clothing, a bit of a padded area, and just so long as the neighbor's dog doesn't start barking, we should be good recording up here. Pop is the filter. What are you doing, baby?
Getting the mic into position. I need to see how much clearance. We only have this much space for me to be outside the recording booth.
You think that'll work?
It's a little makeshift.
Sound check. Cam ready. Hydration.
I am not so much of this earth. I lean into my soul to know my self-worth. Take one. Imagine for a moment you own just your skin, and the only thing with value are the things that live within. A cosmic tapestry awaits. We love and love.
I feel very good about those takes.
Oh wait, I don't have headphones on. Hit space. Now if it prompts you, just hit delete all. I need a little more slack on the headphones. All right, perfect. Thank you. I don't care and I don't know. I'm afraid to tap into my spirituals. That was all over the place. What is my last line? So it's, I don't care and I don't know.
That on my phone?
Oh, God forbid. God forbid I open up, peel back my mind and see a soul inside. God, I'm always a little lightheaded after those breaths.